Hey Alexa, start the robo.
Presenting the new Eureka Forbes Robo Vac and Mop Pro vacuum cleaner. Once turned on, the Robo will start cleaning in auto mode. The Robo is designed to clean all surfaces, whether wooden, marble or carpet. Thanks to its powerful suction, it can easily clean the tiniest dust particles. The Robo effortlessly cleans even the most challenging spots. It easily cleans the dust and dirt accumulated in the corners of the house. In spiral mode, the vacuum cleaner operates in a circular motion to thoroughly clean a designated area. With a full charge, the Robo can clean continuously for up to 100 minutes. To tackle spills and daily mopping, wet mopping is the ideal choice. Just remove the water tank, add water and attach the microfiber cloth to get started. With its microfiber cloth, cleaning up wet spills, tough stains and even sauce or wine is just a breeze. Through the app, you can remotely operate the Robo from any location, even when you're not at home. The Robo's anti-fall sensor prevents it from falling from a higher place and also prevents it from colliding with any other object. If the battery is low, the Robo automatically returns to the charging dock. Always keep the auto dock station in such a place where there are no obstacles within its docking radius. The scheduling feature allows you to set up automated cleaning for a time that's convenient for you. Bring home the new Eureka Forbes Robo Vac and Mop Pro vacuum cleaner and make time for the things you love.